Hi, hello, how are you? Did you know I don't know how to paint? Yes, you probably knew that. And by painting, I mean painting canvases. I know how to paint LPS. I think I'm decent at it.
Are you sure about that?
But painting actual canvases, making art with like drawing, that is not really my forte. So I asked you guys on my YouTube community tab and also my Instagram on what I should paint with these tiny canvases. I have 3 in total, and I did this sketching off camera just because like it's probably for the best. So let's just begin, shall we? So the first LPS painting we are going to make is a cactus. A few of you guys recommended it, and I really want to because I like plants. So here's the little cactus. I don't think it's that bad. I don't think it's that bad because most people know how to draw a cactus. I'm so nervous because I get so infuriated when I mess up something. That's why I don't film like me customizing LPS, because I get very angry. But I guess we should just get started, I guess. I have no idea. So I think I'm gonna start with the background first. I literally have no idea if you're supposed to do the background first or the actual drawing first, but I'm going to use this Morning Mist as the background. I use Americana paint. I love it to death, and that's what I use on all my customs. How fantastic. Okay, I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm fine. You're fine, Eliza. You're fine, you're fine, you're fine. Okay, I'm left-handed, so this is kind of difficult. I don't know how to paint like around the cactus. How do I do that? Can somebody tell me now? Now I don't know how many layers we're gonna have to do because again, I don't know how to paint a canvas. I don't know if you're supposed to layer. Probably you can. I don't know. I should have probably watched a video before doing this, but YOLO, you know? Literally no one has said that since what, 2013? Eliza, shut up. Usually I'm very particular on the coating, but like I don't know how to thin coats on canvases. It's so much easier on a toy, or at least I think so. I'm just so used to painting like 3D things that it's weird painting something that's 2D or something that I actually have to like create beforehand. Okay, the little detailing work is not, I do not like that. Okay, first layer, not smooth whatsoever, but we got it, you know what I mean? So even though I just got the first layer done, it's drying so fast that I'm able to paint over it again just because of how like strong my lighting is. So I think I'm just gonna keep on painting like the little where I kind of missed. Okay, so now I have the second layer on, I guess. So as soon as it's done like drying near the cactus, we are going to do the actual like base of the cactus, which I am not looking forward to. Does anyone actually like paint almost every day, or paints for fun and not really for like classes or anything? Like you actually paint for fun? Is that a real thing that people do? Because like I am so stressed doing this. So while that's drying just for a little bit, I think I'm going to do this color green, and then I'm going to use black for the little prickly parts. For this plant pot, I'm going to use this kind of like a green blue color, and then I might do like this pink or some other type of pink color, the little ringlet around it. I'm not really sure yet. I'm like, you know, artists at work, you know what I mean? Okay, I think it's time to do this. Oh no. I'm so gonna mess this up. Do any of you own cacti? I really want to own one. Right now I have succulents and like some other plants that aren't cactus. It's not a cactus, you know what I mean? Loki looks like Larry from VeggieTales. Do not know what's going on with this little stem. It's gigantic. He is buff. Dude, my cactus is ripped. This will be a 3-part little series because I cannot paint 3 things in one day. That is just, that's a no. So if you guys want me to do more than 3, the other 2 get released, let me know. thought it was a little bit different and something different to LPS Tube. Just make little paintings for your LPS. I mean, if you want to copy my design, it really doesn't bother me. I don't know. I give credit when it's due, I guess. Trying so hard to fix that one little whatever that is, and it's not working. We'll get there. So I'm almost done painting this. There's still some parts that need to be fully painted, but I think I'm going to do some light highlights on it as well, and then do the little prickly things, and then I might do like the little flowers. We'll see. But it's turning out a lot better than what I thought it was going to turn out. So now I want to do the little highlights. So I'm going to get white paint and the green that I've already used and mix them together. I literally just hit my camera. I apologize. My palette is disgusting, but we're just gonna mix. Now I have a really long brush, so we're able to get like nice strokes, maybe. I do not have a steady hand whatsoever. My hand is so shaky. Now time to add the little pricklies with black paint. Ooh, girl. Alright, so now I'm going to use this blue to paint the pot. So I got that little base all done, and now I'm going to do like the little flowers that sometimes grow on the top of cacti. I'm using a yellow, kind of a pastel yellow to make the little flowers, and then I have a little dotting tool and I'm just gonna dot. I'm so shaky. I might actually just like move it around to make it like the flower. Okay, so now I'm just gonna get a little brush and like make it more like a flower. So we have that situated. I'm gonna fix both of them a little bit later. Now we are going to do a little stripe because I think that this little pot is missing something. So I'm gonna do like a little stripe and then we will be done. I think I'm gonna do this pink color. I'm gonna do this off camera because of how shaky I am. I need this closer to me. I hope you guys don't mind that. It's just because your girl shaky. So I have the cute little line. I think I'm gonna put like little dots of the blue in between the pink. I don't know, I think that's cute. I don't know, at me. I just had the greatest idea for a different video, but I'm not gonna say it just because I kind of want to keep it to myself. There will be another painting video, maybe not with these canvases. We'll see how this video goes. If you guys want to see more videos like this, part 2, please comment down below and we'll see if people like it enough. So now we're gonna get the blue and dot on the pink. And there we go. I'm thinking of having these like in the backgrounds of videos or something like that, like kind of propped up. I think that would be cute for like a video in the background, kind of like how I do setups and stuff. If you guys want to make paintings like this, I found these little canvases at Dollar General. You can probably find them at Meijer, Walmart. Pretty sure they have it in Michael's. But yeah, do you like it? Comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different, but I really wanted to paint and I wanted to see like my capabilities and seeing what I could do. Again, I have 2 other canvases already sketched out, so if you guys want to see a part 2 or a part 3, let me know in the comments if you guys were interested in this at all. And if you want to copy the design, it's perfectly fine. It doesn't really bother me. But just please give me credit when credit is due. I also want to shout out my other account, which is My Planet Jupiter. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!